What's up, Yo Studios? I'm your host, Chicken Run, as always. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the mini mock that I built completely out of the Jawa Battle Pack set. So it does look pretty cool. Just kidding, guys. That was just a little mini mock I built last night. But here's the real mock, and it's basically you could think of it as stealth mission kind of thing. So basically, if you could look at it kind of like D-Day, how there was a frontal force, then there was an airborne force which went behind lines. So that's what these guys are doing. They're climbing up the mountain there just to get to where the battle is actually happening. So if you guys do enjoy this video and have a great rest of your day, God bless. Yub Nub out.